Hi everybody, it's Dr. Colonna here from White-Wilson Pediatrics. Now that it's summertime and we're spending more time at the pool and at the ocean, I wanted to talk a little bit about water safety. Water safety is very important because drownings cause about 500 deaths in kids under the age of 5 every year, and we've actually already had a few drownings in our community this year. A few quick tips to think about if you are going to be around water is that as a parent, you are always within arm's reach of your child. We call this touch supervision. Make sure you're watching them at all times and not stepping away at any point while they could be unsupervised. I also recommend if they're swimming that they have on a life jacket. Water wings and floaties are easier to put on, but they are not approved by the U.S. Coast Guard. I also recommend if you have a pool in your backyard that pool is enclosed by a 4-sided fence, and this fence should isolate the pool from the house and the yard rather than just having 3 sides enclosed. Another thing that can help your kid remain safer when they are around water is swimming lessons. Swimming lessons can start as early as the age of 1, and the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that kids are ready for swimming lessons by the time they're 4, so that's something to also think about. If your kids like to be really active and run around the pool, I do recommend trying to limit roughhousing and running because this can lead to trips and falls and accidental falls in water. As a parent, something you can also do is get CPR trained in case your kid ever did have a bad fall around a pool and taken too much water. CPR can help in those events. The last thing I wanted to talk about is in the case that your child ever did fall in the pool and swallow more water than they would have expected, get them out of the pool as soon as you can. If they are ever not breathing, turning blue, or seem like they have difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. If they're just coughing for a couple of minutes and seem to recover afterwards, that's usually okay. But if they seem to cough longer than you would expect, if it's a few hours later and they still are coughing, I do want you to give us a call so we can take a look at them to make sure that their heart and lungs sound okay after that fall. If you're ever not sure what to do, you always can call us for advice as well. Again, I'm Dr. Alison Colonna at White-Wilson Medical Center Pediatrics in Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and I hope everybody has a great and safe summer.